We are going to throw someone off of this skyscraper.
And that person will fall to his death below. Now let's get inside and go to the top floor.
Hey you. Tough guy.
What do you want, boys, with your wrenches? Can't you see that I am admiring the view of the city?
We're going to throw you off the skyscraper 500 meters below ground.
What? No. You can't throw me off on top of the skyscraper. That's attempted manslaughter.
We don't care. You're going to get thrown off the skyscraper and that's final.
Prepare to get thrown overboard.
Yes. We throw a person off of a skyscraper. Yes. We throw a person off of a skyscraper. Yes. We throw a person off of a skyscraper. Yes. We throw a person off of a skyscraper.
Oh crap. We're busted.
You too. Did you just throw my friend Sledger off of a skyscraper? Because I saw you threw him off of the skyscraper.
Um. 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 Yes. We throw him off of the skyscraper.
Oh my gosh. Wrench bro and spanner bro. How dare you throw Sledger off of a skyscraper? You realize that's attempted murder plus attempted manslaughter to anyone like that. And now he has to go to the hospital for his bad injuries because of both of you. That's it. I'm calling the police to arrest you both.
Oh no. Please don't tell us that our sons caused trouble again. Did they?
Oh yes. Wrench bro and spanner bro caused trouble again. He threw a person named Sledger off of the skyscraper from the observation deck and he is in a bad condition.
And now he needs a 24-hour surgery and you need to pay his hospital bill.
Wrench bro and spanner bro. We cannot believe that you boys threw an innocent person off the skyscraper. You're lucky that the person did not die from his injuries or else you would have served jail time behind bars for life.
That's it. You both are grounded until the person named Sledger gets fully recovered from the hospital.
When we go back home, you will go to your rooms right now and think about what you have done.
We hate that hedgehog!
Subscribe for more a ton of awesomeness on my channel. And don't forget to comment for requests that you want me to make. Be sure to notify once you click the notification bell. This has been a Henry Martinez FTW New York 2020 Universe Productions.